Alright, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. We are leaving Food Line over here. I just pulled up here in Food Line to grab some stuff over here in the seat for work tonight on a flip car. We're doing this is actually for a minivan that I'm putting together and we're working on. And so I had to hit Food Line to get a little secret piece of the puzzle of flipping these cars. So I've recently, there's our Food Line bags, recently found another little secret to the puzzle after all this time of not thinking that I can cut any more time down on flipping cars, and I can't get any better. Seems like there's always room to grow in your business, and it takes time to figure that out and time to learn all these little tips and tricks, I guess you could say. And that's from putting in tons and tons of hours. So I actually just stumbled across this one this past week, and just doing this little bit of work actually will cut down 24 hours on your flip. It's pretty crazy. That's a big savings. But you're not going to know all of this stuff just diving right in because you didn't put in the time. So there's a way to cheat. Something I was taught a long time ago. For example, having a room like this right here can save you hundreds of dollars per year, literally. Heard a long time ago that if you want to be as successful as somebody else, and if you want to have what somebody else has, then all you literally have to do is copy what that person does. Here's my offer to y'all. If anybody wants help in learning how to flip cars, or if anybody wants one-on-one training, help, experience, whatever, I am willing to figure out moving forward privately to help people individual one-on-one. Something I have a passion for. And whenever people stop by the shop and we get to talking, normally I talk for hours on end with people, but I'm willing to offer my services and my experience for very affordable rates. We'll have to figure out what works. We can private message prices depending on what you need, either through Zoom, Skype, whatever y'all need, and go over your flip cars, your thoughts, your ideas, your location, everything one-on-one, and I'll give you all my feedback. So how to buy IAA cars, not just some boring video to sit down and listen to. Like, you can go through there, you kind of tell me what you're interested in, and I can cater to your interest, you know. So if you're interested in Z71s, or if you're interested in Honda Civics, you know, stuff like that, I can kind of cater my experience to what you're interested in and work with you on your list weekly. So I'm not just showing you something on a video and then you having to kind of translate it. You can literally show me your picks for your upcoming auction, the exact vehicle you want. You'll be able to shoot me over the stock number off of IAA. Copar we can look over too. I don't have a ton of experience with Copar. I don't like Copar for my own reasons. I'm very big on IAA, but either way, I can still look over cars with you and point out maybe some stuff that you didn't know and try to show you and teach you. If you only need 30 minutes, then we can do 30 minutes. If you need an hour, we can do an hour. If you need an hour every single day, we can do an hour every single day. If anybody's interested in this, you know, message me. My email's always in the description below, and we can work one-on-one on sorting things out. I know I put a bunch of paint videos out, give you a ton of paint information. I've gave you already a ton of IAA information, more than I was given when I first started this whole process. I kind of had to learn all this on my own, and so I'm willing to give out even more, but I don't know how much of it I want to give out publicly, because it's getting to the point where some of the information I give out is literally worth thousands and thousands of dollars a year, because this is how I take care of my family, my employees. I mean, I'm sitting at the top of a pyramid basically, and have people underneath me that depend on me to perform and to come up with picks and to make things happen when it counts. You know, my wife does a ton. Without my wife, I wouldn't be where I'm at. She handles all of the paperwork right here at the desk. Hit me up. I want to help y'all make money. I want to help you get started. I want to help you make your dreams come true. But you got to start somewhere. Like, comment, subscribe, smash that bell button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, y'all.